Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can merge notes in your account on Obsidian Notes. So let us guide you through this. Alright guys, so head over to the Obsidian Notes application, navigate to your vault in the bottom left and open one of your notes. What you want to do is right click into the tab of the open note, choose merge entire file with, and then select the file or note you would like to use to merge it. For example, let me go with, for example, this one here. And then Obsidian Notes will ask you for confirmation. You can also disable this confirmation. And after that, remember guys that the initial note will be deleted and it will be pasted into the second node you just selected, right? So that's the merging. Let me click into merge here, and there you have it. As you can see, the first node has disappeared and now it has been added or merged, including all its texts, into the second node. So let me close that tab here. That's how it works. Thanks for watching and I'll see you next time.